Good morning, students. Now I am reading new paragraph. All of you see page number 55. Today's paragraph is the Rowlatt Act. So listen carefully. Emboldened, underline. Emboldened means inspired or motivated. With this success, Mahatma Gandhi ji he carried out or organized various satyagraha movements in 1916, in 1917, in 1918, and he succeeded also. Because of this success, now he was inspired, he was motivated himself. Gandhiji in 1919 decided to launch means start, a nationwide satyagraha against the proposed Rowlatt Act 1919. Underline year. Year is very important. Rowlatt Act 1919. So he decided to start nationwide satyagraha movement against the Rowlatt Act. Now Rowlatt Act, which was passed in 1919, to oppose this act. This act had been hurriedly passed. Now try to understand this paragraph. The act, the Rowlatt Act, had been hurriedly passed by the British government through the Imperial Legislative Council. The act which was passed out through the Imperial Legislative Council, despite the united opposition of the Indian members, our leaders. Now, Indian members united means after coming together, means both the all in Indian leaders, Hindu, Muslim, so all they came together and they opposed to the Rowlatt Act. Despite this opposition, means Indian members they were opposing, but the British government, the Imperial Legislative Council, passed Rowlatt Act in 1919. It gave the government enormous powers. Now, because of the Rowlatt Act, it means the Rowlatt Act gave the government enormous powers. Enormous, too much power. Why? To repress political activities. Repress means crush, to crush, forcefully, to crush down. Now the British government had too much power. Now this act provided powers to the British government to repress, to control, to crush down political activities, and allowed detention. Detention, underline. Detention means custody of political prisoners, as well as this act allowed to the British government for the arresting. Now British government or Britishers could easily arrest. To whom? To the political, we can say our leaders, we can say the nationalists our freedom fighters. Now, detention of political prisoners without trial. Trial means here we can say the appearance at a judicial court, means presenting in front of the judge, or we can say the in a court without presenting in the court. The government, British government, got power to keep in jail or prison to anyone such type of this act for 2 years. Now anyone means our leaders. So British government could keep or arrest them and keep them into jail or prison for 2 years. Mahatma Gandhi ji wanted non-violent civil disobedience. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji, he wanted to break civil means we can say the civil disobedience means breaking laws, rules and regulations, British laws. Now he wanted to break. How? By non-violence way. Now he wanted to break British laws, British rules with the help of or by non-violence way, by using the satyagraha, we can say, against such unjust law. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji here also he wanted to break the Rowlatt Act, but how? By peaceful way, by satyagraha way, as well as by using non-violence, which would start with a hartal on 6 April. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji now started, means he wanted to oppose this law. So hartal, which was carried out and started on 6 April. Now see this paragraph. Now students, try to understand. Rallies were organized in various cities. Now rallies were carried out by our members, leaders, followers, Mahatma Gandhi's followers. Now they took out rallies in different cities. Workers went on strike. Now those who were the workers, now they went on strike, means they stopped their works. In railway workshops, the workers, those who were working in railways workshops, now they stopped their works. And shops closed down. Now the people, the shop owner, they also closed their shops because they wanted to oppose. They joined in hartal and shops closed down. Alarmed. Here alarm means warning. By the popular upsurge. Underline upsurge. Upsurge, it means sudden, strong opposition. Now popular opposition started. Now the people, they gathered and they started to oppose to the British government. And scared means terror, spread out, that lines of communication such as the railways and telegraph would be disrupted, destroyed. Now people, they were in anger. Now they started to oppose British government. So lines of communications were broken down, as well as the railways line. So all, okay, we can say that lines of communication, railway lines, telegraph, etc. Now all these things which were disturbed by our leaders, our we can say the satyagrahi, our people. Because of this, the British administration decided to clamp down on nationalists. Clamp down, underline, clamp down means repress, control, forcefully control. Because of this warning, because of this fear, now British government started to control and to arrest our nationalists, our freedom fighters, our leaders. The British administration decided to clamp down on nationalists. Local leaders were picked up, our leaders, now they were arrested from Amritsar. Now so many our leaders, now they were arrested from Amritsar. And Mahatma Gandhi ji was barred. Here barred means prevented from entering Delhi. Means Mahatma Gandhi ji, he was not allowed to enter in Delhi. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji was strictly not allowed. Now he could not enter in Delhi. On 10 April, the police in Amritsar fired upon a peaceful procession. Procession means religious rally, we can say. Now people, they were moving in form of rallies, processions. And how was these processions? Peaceful, silent. And suddenly on 10 April, British police came there and fired upon a such we can say such type of a peaceful procession, provoking, underline provoking. Provoking means provoke means set off or begin or start. As Britishers fired upon a peaceful procession, now wider spread attacks started. The people, they started to attack. Where? On banks, post offices and railway stations, etc. Martial law was imposed. Now, at last, Britishers declare martial law. And General Dyer took command. Now General Dyer, now he, we can say took command. Now here students, we can understand how was the Rowlatt Act and how our Indian nationalist people, now how they opposed to such type unjust act. Now remaining part we will read in next clip.